just got to our gate. I honestly didn't pull the phone out at all to record because we were just rushing to get here because we were we were just rushing, and so finally we're here at the gate. It was honestly a pretty smooth to get through TSA with the stroller and the baby and everything. This is our first time doing that, so yeah, it wasn't that as bad as I was expecting. So now we're here, we're sitting down, just waiting to board. So woo! Be there soon, hopefully.
A few moments later.
We made it, guys. Now we have to fill out, what's that form called?
COVID-19 protocols.
Now we have to fill out some form for COVID-19. I don't know, but yeah, we're here, we landed. Let me show y'all what these guys looking like right now.
People are mad curious.
Alright guys, so we just got our rental. Super excited, about to go get some food because we starving. First bite in Puerto Rico. IHOP. Hey guys, so I'm finally home. We had such a long day. I'm so tired. Every single day is extremely tiring when you're on vacation. But when you have a little one with you, it's extra tiring. So just really quickly, I don't think I ever really explained what it's like when you land in Puerto Rico right now due to COVID-19. So just to let you guys know, when you do land in PR and you get your bags, right before leaving the airport, you will be asked to fill out a form. I don't remember the name right now. I'll put the name somewhere around the video. Basically, it's a form where they're asking you where you're staying, who you're staying with, and how long you'll stay for. And then at the end, they will ask you if you are willing to get tested, if you've gotten tested, and if not, you know, to quarantine for 14 days or whatever. So that's basically all it is. It takes about 5 minutes to fill out, and then after that, you're free to go. So far, Puerto Rico has been pretty normal. Places to eat are open. You can dine in, of course, at a limited capacity. Some places are not dining in at all, but I'm pretty sure that's what the case is in most places. So yeah, Puerto Rico is pretty okay right now. So that's basically my little update on PR, guys, in case you were wondering, and I hope this helps you out. Okay, what's up, guys? We just pulled up to Luquillo Beach. $4 to get into the parking lot of this beach. Pretty packed today. Today's Saturday, so we're about to hop in there. We'll show you around as we get in. This is where you walk through to get to the beach, which is great, especially if you have a stroller with you. So far, it looks really beautiful.
Hey.
Gonna give him some goals. Look, Cairo. Cairo. Huh? We're gonna take a walk to a little stand over here to see what they have. I'm looking for water right now. Apparently they sell fried foods, so we'll let you guys know what they got in there. But we're gonna head over there right now.
See my mask is right under that shit. Somewhere in there.
Look how pretty this is. Oh my god. Little spot next to the beach. Look how cute. We just picked up some food from that little spot we're showing you guys. I picked up a suluyo. This is what it looks like. This is like a, you know, I really don't know. Cornmeal fried steak. That's the best way I could describe it. But I fucking love these. I've been eating these since I was small, so I'm curious to see how this one tastes from the island. So let's try it right now. This one got cheese in it. Oh, I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that, but it's good. It's interesting, but it's delicious. Cairo's not having it, y'all. He said this water's too cold, right? It's too cold. He keeps looking at the water like, don't you dare let me go, guys. Look at this, guys. This is Luquillo Beach, and I think this is like the perfect beach to come with the baby because the water's shallow, so you can have some fun with your little one. Look at this. You can have fun with your little one right in the front. It's perfect. Plus, this beach is great for strollers. When you're coming into the beach, we stood where there's some shade and there's some grass, some sand and some grass, and we were able to push a stroller in very easily. So just keep that in mind if you do come out here and you're looking for beaches that are going to be easy for you and your baby if you're bringing your baby. Luquillo Beach is one of those beaches. Super simple, super easy, convenient, and they have clean bathrooms, lockers even for like $1. Then they have a cute little spot that I showed earlier in the vlog where you can get some delicious food, some waters, even some drinks, margaritas, pina colada. And the parking is also super easy and convenient, only $4 to get in. So yeah, one of the best beaches. I say this is my favorite beach after Flamenco Beach in Culebra, which I've been to 2 years ago. Unfortunately, I wasn't vlogging them, but I have some clips. I'll insert them here if I can find some. So this is us in Luquillo Beach, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed. After this, we're gonna head over to the Luquillo kiosks, some places, some little food spots that sell Puerto Rican street food. That's about 2 minutes from here, so we're gonna vlog some of that as well, so you guys can check it out. Alright guys, so we just pulled up to a restaurant called Antojito, and this is one of the kiosks at the Luquillo kiosk, and I just got alcapuria and a relleno de papa, so I'm about to try this right now. Wow, it's nice and hot. Woo! Oh, look at that. That looks so good. Always good. And this is alcapuria de carne. And then we got the relleno de papa here. Ooh, this one's funny. So this has potato and carne in it. So this is a great spot to come to. You hear that? People be passing by with their music blasting. This is a great spot to come to. You could choose. There's like 50 kiosks that you choose from to have some good food after the beach and have some drinks with some friends, whatever. Great spot to come to. So if you are going to be near Luquillo Beach, check out the kiosk. It's pretty dope.